I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup for a jaundice patient. Start by selecting about 5 to 6 ripe, fresh tomatoes. Wash them thoroughly and chop them into medium pieces. You'll also need a small onion, 1 clove of garlic, and a tiny piece of ginger. Remember, the goal is a light and easily digestible soup, so keep ingredients simple and fresh for maximum benefit. Next, let's prepare the tomatoes. Boil the chopped tomatoes in about 2 cups of water for 10 to 15 minutes until they are very soft. Let them cool slightly, then peel off the skin. Blend the cooked tomatoes into a smooth puree. For a truly easy-to-digest soup, strain this puree through a fine mesh sieve to remove any remaining seeds or skin, ensuring a silky texture. Now for the gentle seasoning. In a pan, heat 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Add the finely chopped onion, garlic, and ginger, sautéing until translucent. Pour in the strained tomato puree. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of salt. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Add a little water if it's too thick. Finally, serve your delicious and healing tomato soup warm. This light and nutritious soup is packed with vitamins, especially vitamin C, and provides excellent hydration. It's designed to be gentle on the digestive system and liver, making it an ideal choice for someone recovering from jaundice. Enjoy this simple, comforting, and beneficial meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.